monitoring is required for any disease, and PCOS can lead to increase in infertility, miscarriages, diabetes, cardiovascular risk, and also uterine cancer. So it has to be monitored. Now the patient has to monitor their body mass index, their lipid profiles, their blood sugar levels, cardiovascular risk also has to be evaluated on a regular basis. Now the increase of gestational diabetes mellitus is more with patients of PCOS. So in pregnancy also these patients have to be monitored. A regular monitoring of the patients can lead to decreased incidence of implications and complications in the future. So at least I would suggest that a yearly full body checkup has to be done if good lifestyle modification is maintained by the patient, and if any problems, if the patient is facing any problems, the patient should immediately consult the doctor. Now in polycystic ovarian syndrome, obesity is around 40 to 80% prevalent, for which we can take balanced portion controlled meals where we can get the right amount of food at the right time and in right portions, which can help us in weight loss and decreasing insulin resistance, which is the root cause of PCOS. Now, lifestyle modification is the basis of any lifestyle disease. PCOS is a lifestyle disease, as I have already told you. Now, a reduction of weight as little as 5% can lead to a lot of improvement in hormonal and metabolic parameters related to PCOS. Also, it can decrease insulin sensitivity, improve my hormones, and also decrease hirsutism, acne, testosterone levels, blood glucose levels, which can help us improve our disease. Now, the minimum physical activity that is warranted or that is expected to be done is around 150 minutes of physical activity at least 5 days a week. This is the minimum thing that we should do. So now balanced portion control means that we take the food in right amounts, the right quality of food, and at the right time in the day. This means balanced portion controls. Now, dietary modification is the cornerstone of any disease management. PCOS is a lifestyle disease in which obesity is around 40 to 80% prevalent. So, dietary modification, if taken into consideration, the balanced controlled portions can give us a better result in weight management and decreasing insulin resistance.